Hello everyone, welcome to another how-to video. Today I'll show you how I replaced my battery for my Dell Latitude 5420 model. This procedure should be common enough for all Dell Latitude models. So flip your laptop and unscrew all the corner screws. Probably a 7 to 8 screws should be there. And this need a special kind of screwdrivers and with some special magnetic screw heads. So once you unscrew it, pop open the back hood. So here you can see the modules of my Dell Latitude. The bigger black module is the battery, which is a 6.3 kilowatt milliamps capacity. So I ordered a new one, which just arrived, and I just want to replace it. Yeah, this is the new module. As you can see, 6.3 watts. So once you kind of unscrew it, yeah, these are the unscrew it. You just need to pop open the module. So the output of the battery will be fed as an input to this laptop via a single wire. So I'll eventually show you. So carefully handle it. And you can see the output of this battery is fed to the input. Yeah, this is the wire responsible for discharging or transferring the power from the battery to the laptop inputs. Yeah, as you can see, this is the output of the battery, which is tied to on a wire or a probe, you can call it. So now I'm planning to replace the new one. So I placed the new battery and trying to push in the probe. Make sure you have the right polarity. And once the probe is firmly fixed, place the battery in the module component and try to carefully and meticulously place the probes as the input to the laptop. And once you place it, firmly hold it and try to screw or screw in the module. So it's better to have a magnetic screwdriver, a miniature screwdriver, whatever you may call, because these are easily prone to fall back. So once you ensure the probes are tight enough, screw the batteries and make sure it doesn't fall apart. And place back the back hood again and screw it. Thanks for watching.